Now on to example 1H on page 122. On this harmonization example, the left hand will be playing a broken chord pattern, which is basically like an arpeggiated pattern. You can see here, lowest note, then middle note, then the highest note. We're in the key of D major, so all we need to do is determine a chord progression here. Again, I'll be selecting a more basic chord progression, but feel free to create a more complex version if you'd prefer. So we're in D major. We'll start with the 1 chord, then we'll go to the 5, 6, 5, as indicated here, and then back to the 1 chord. Going back to the 5, 6, 5, I think makes sense. Back to the 1, 5, 6, 5 again, and see if there's ever a need to change it. I don't see a need. 1 chord, 5, 6, 5, repeats 1 chord, 5, 6, 5, 1 chord, 5, 6, 5, 1 chord, 5, 6, 5. Let's see. The ending is going to be different. Yeah, we'll stay on a 5, 6, 5 here, and then we'll end on a 1. So yeah, we're just alternating between the 1 and the 5, 6, 5 in the left hand. So if it's a 1 chord, you'll play D, F sharp, A. If it's a 5, 6, 5, you'll play C sharp, G, A. So let's just practice the left hand by itself first. So the 1 chord is D, F sharp, A, and the 5, 6, 5 is C sharp, G, A. And now we can play through the whole thing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, left hand by itself. 1, 2, 5, 6, 5. Back to 1, back to 5, back to 1, back to 5, back to 1, then to 5, then to 1, back to 5, then to 1, 5, then to 1, then 2 5s in a row, then back to 1. Okay, so the left hand really, really basic. But the right hand is going to be a little bit trickier. 5, 5, 4, 3, that's an F sharp. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to cross over the third finger on C sharp. 3, 1, 1. Like that. And then on the next part, you could shift back to 1, or you could go to 2 and then get back to 1 on the D. But we do want to get back to the thumb, back to D position. Then bar 6, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, you're going to cross over the third finger. 3, 1, 1. And then the same idea here. You can go to 2 on D. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 on F sharp, and then F sharp. And then I'd recommend going to second finger on the C sharp, and then third finger on D. So let's try the right hand by itself slowly. Here we go. Starting 5th finger on the A. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 crossover, C sharp, A, back to D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, then repeats, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 crossover, 3, 1, 1 now second finger, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the right hand. And once you're comfortable with that, then you can try putting it together slowly. And this is where it's going to be a little bit tricky because your left hand is playing D, F sharp, A, C sharp, G, A. Okay, so most of your attention is going to have to go to the right hand. Here we go. Slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Back to the 1 chord. 1 and 2 and 3. Cross over to C sharp. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now the 5 chords. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.